Today, we are seeing more and more homeowners choosing solar wireless security cameras. Just a few years ago, installing a security camera system usually meant running cables, finding power, setting up recorder, and often hiring installer. Today, many homeowners are looking for something much simpler. They want a system they can install themselves, manage from their smartphone, and start using within minutes. But that raises a few important questions. What technologies are available today in modern solar wireless security cameras? In this video, we will answer those questions using products from AOSU brand as example. Why AOSU? First, we have met a company several times at professional security industry events, including ISC West. More recently, we visited their booth at CES 2026, where we had chance to see the latest T2 Ultra and T2 Pro cameras. After looking at these cameras, I felt they were a great example of the technologies that are becoming available in today's home security market. So today we are visiting a home just outside Toronto, where the homeowner recently installed these cameras himself. We will look at the installation process, the mobile application, the AI features, and most importantly, how this system performs in real everyday use. This property uses two different AOSU cameras, the T2 Ultra and the T2 Pro. What I like these two models is that they represent two different approaches that we are starting to use in the solar wireless camera market. The T2 Ultra follows a more traditional PTZ camera design. It records in 4K, supports color night vision, includes AI features, and gives homeowners the ability to monitor a larger area with a single camera. This makes it a great option for locations such as driveways, garages, front yards, or other areas where you want flexible viewing angles. The T2 Pro takes a different approach. Instead of giving you one camera view, it combines two cameras in a single device. The camera provides constant wide-angle view of the area, while the second PTZ camera can automatically track movement and focus on specific events. The result is a system that gives you both complete overview and more detailed view at the same time. Both cameras work within same AOSU ecosystem. They support Wi-Fi connectivity, solar charging, built-in batteries, local storage, and integration with AOSU base. So rather than comparing cameras against each other, our goal today is to show what modern solar wireless security cameras are capable of and how these technologies can help homeowners better understand what's happening around their property. One of the main reasons solar Wi-Fi cameras are becoming so popular is the simplicity of installation. On this property, the homeowner installed two T2 Pro cameras and one T2 Ultra camera and AOSU base in about 30 minutes. If you are installing a system like this yourself, I recommend connecting everything through mobile app first. Once everything is working correctly, you can install the cameras in their final locations. Setup is done through AOSU app by scanning QR codes, and the process is simple and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. The cameras mount using a bracket system. First, you install the mounting plate, then you secure the camera to the plate. The solar panel can also be mounted separately, if needed, allowing you to place the camera where you need the best view, while positioning the solar panel where it received the most sunlight. So, after setup, everything is managed through the AOSU mobile application. In our system, we have the two T2 Pro cameras covering the front yard and backyard, one T2 Ultra camera above the garage, and the T2 Pro is especially interesting because it combines two cameras and one device. One camera provides a continuous 170 degrees wide-angle view, while the second 360 degrees PTZ camera can automatically track movement and focus on specific areas. This means you can see the entire property while also getting a closer look to important activities. If something happens in a specific area, you can simply tap that location on the wide-angle image and the PTZ camera will automatically move to that area. The camera also supports built-in lighting, a siren, two-way audio, voice warnings, and automatic tracking. Inside the event section, the system system automatically sorts recording into categories. You can quickly search events using person, vehicle, pet, motion, staying, parking area alert, smart parking surveillance, lone surveillance, intrusion prevention, and cross-camera tracking. Instead of searching through hours of video, the system helps you find important events in seconds. For example, staying can identify when a person or vehicle remains in a specific area longer than expected. Parking area alert and smart parking surveillance help monitor vehicles and parking spaces. Lone surveillance can monitor areas where people normally shouldn't enter. While intrusion prevention can notify you when someone crosses virtual boundary. Cross-camera tracking allows multiple cameras to work together and follow activity across different areas of the property. Notifications are also highly customizable, allowing you to decide exactly which events should trigger alerts on your phone. Now let's take a quick look at the T2 Ultra. Most of the software features are the same as the T2 Pro. You still get AI analytics, notifications, local storage, and AOSU-based integration. The main difference is the camera design. The T2 Ultra is a 4K PTZ camera designed for users who want a simpler setup with a flexible viewing angles. It works very well for driveways, garages, front yards, and other areas where a PTZ camera can cover the entire space. It also supports color night vision, allowing you to see the full color image even at night. I also call this feature True Color Night Vision. Traditional night vision cameras usually gives you a black and white image, while some cameras use bright spotlights to show color at night. With True Color Night Vision, the T2 Ultra is designed to show more natural colors and more detail in low light conditions. This can make it easier to identify cars, clothing, packages, pets, and other important details when reviewing footage at night. If your goal is to cover a larger area with a single camera and still have access to modern AI features, the T2 Ultra is a very solid option. After using the system for several days, one thing became very clear. Home security cameras have evolved significantly over the last few years. Features such as AI detection, smart notifications, local storage, automatic tracking, color night vision, and solar power are becoming standard features in home security. If I compare these two models, I would say the T2 Ultra is a great option for homeowners looking for a straightforward PTZ camera with modern AI features. The T2 Pro is ideal for people who want maximum coverage and the ability to see both a wide overview and detailed activity at the same time. But my biggest takeaway is not about a specific camera. It is about how much home security technology has improved. Today's cameras do much more than record the video. They help homeowners understand what is happening around their property and focus on events that actually matter. At the same time, cameras are only one part of complete security strategy. I always recommend thinking about security as a complex system that can include cameras, intrusion alarms, door and window sensors, leak and fire detectors, smart locks, video doorbells, and other connected devices. When all of these systems work together, homeowners gain a much higher level of awareness and control. I hope this video helped you better understand today's solar wireless security cameras and the technologies available to homeowners. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos, because we will film more videos about home security, commercial security, and also about our safety.
Need a security system installed? Finding a trusted, qualified integrator isn't easy. Pipl Systems is a platform to find verified, professional security integrators. Browse by location, see real projects, and choose a company you can actually trust. Pipl Systems. Find your trusted security integrator today.